I'm gonna start. I already started.
Okay. Alright, today we'll be opening our Topps 07-08 NBA basketball pack. We got this off of eBay. Do you not even know how to open this? Ooh, these look high quality. Saves for Mike. Alright, so we're hoping for a Smush Parker autograph jersey. If anything less. I don't know how to open these. How do they open them? Like crazy.
Oh my god.
Should I put on gloves? Alright, let's see what we got. The Junis. Oh, shit. It's a sign. It's already a sign. It's already a sign.
These are ugly cards. Oh shit, what's that? There you go. There you go.
I think this is nothing. Alright. Hurry up. Hey, are you getting like, can you see the cards?
Yeah, put your hands out more towards it, yeah, so I don't get your face.
Wait, you already get my face?
Sometimes.
Dude, what? That's bad.
Come on, baby. Baby.
David Lee.
Oh shit. Darren Williams.
Oh, Andrew Bynum?
Wait, what is that?
I don't know. I think it's just normal card.
Damn.
We'll take it out on case.
These are such ugly cards. They look like they were made like 10 years ago.
No, the point is like the Bill Russell whole like. How do you open this? It's the dumbest.
Come on, man. I know I don't have that much memory space.
Dude, I can't open this. I can't open from one side. Well, this feels thick.
It sounds just like that. Chris Bosh, dude, those are good cards. These are all good players. Oh shoot. Is that a rookie card?
Well, yeah, but
You don't say anything about it. What are those last cards? The really ugly ones.
just like old style.
It's like not even a good picture.